In this tutorial, we are going to cover the annotation tool while during a screen share. So first I'll minimize this screen so we can just focus on the toolbar itself. When you're engaging in a screen share, you have the ability to annotate or add annotations to your screen. This is a feature available to the desktop user. So as long as a teacher is running a Zoom session from their desktop app, they will have the ability to select this annotate option, which brings up a menu. And this is your toolbar of annotations. And this is going to behave like a transparency layer on top of any content that you're viewing on your computer. So right now I'm just viewing a blank desktop. So I can pull up any type of tool. You can use the drawing tool if you want to start using that. You can select your line, change your format. You've got an eraser, a spotlight, and a couple other tools here. If we want to change that, I can change it to a little thicker, and there we go. So now I can go ahead and draw. Okay. I have the ability to clear, and when you select the clear button, you can clear just your drawings, or everything on the screen, just the things that you've drawn, or just your viewers' drawings. So if I go ahead and clear, that tells me that my participants have the ability to draw, and that is a security item. So let's go back to the mouse, because I'm on a drawing tool right now, and select the security feature, and you can decide to turn on or off the ability for students to annotate on the content that you are sharing. This is only going to be available for students that have joined through a desktop application on a Mac or a PC, Windows device, or if they've joined through their mobile device, they have the ability to annotate. The Chrome app and the web app don't allow for this. But if I turn this on, now a student who is joining my class would have the ability to, on their phone, pull up a little pencil tool, and they could draw too. And you can see that their name pops up as they're drawing and adding items. So student 3 has been drawing onto my screen. Again, you can turn that off if you are done or having students draw. So now that I've done that, that tool no longer is available to my participants, and you have the ability to clear. You can also save the content that is on your screen. And if I click this save, it's going to save to my computer. The drop-down allows you to dictate what type of file, whether it's an image, a PNG, or a PDF. You can pull up any content underneath of this annotation tool. So if I pulled up a slideshow, for example, you can see that those annotations are still there. They're a little hard to see because of the blue background. If I skipped forward to another screen, you could have different content available and ready for interaction. There could be PDFs here, websites, really anything that you want to present. And if you add additional websites, you can continue doing that annotation. And that's pretty much it for your annotation tool with Zoom. Go ahead and turn that toolbar off. I still have screen drawings or annotations, so I'll go ahead and clear the entire set and disable that toolbar and make sure my students can no longer annotate. So there are additional annotation tools that you could use with your students in the event that they couldn't connect through the Zoom platform. Things like Jamboard, where you can have up to 50 students join a single screen at once, and they can all annotate and draw. Same with Google Slides and Google Drawings. So these are additional tools that you can use in the event that your students can't connect and use the annotation tool built into Zoom.